A 40-minute bus journey from Baswan Bagewadi takes us to a sleepy agricultural town called Mutgi. Another 25 minutes from there lies the town of Kudgi. These towns have become the nerve center for what is turning out to be a battle among the farmers and the power corporation NTPC.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರೇ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರೈತರು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು
ರೈತರು ಪೈಲ ಅವರು ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೇನು ರೈತರು ಏನೈತಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ತೋಟ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ದೈತಾಟ ಏನೈತಿ ಗೋಲಿಬಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು
ರೈತರು ಅವ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಪೊಲೀಸರ ರೈತರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಬಂದ
ರೈತರ ಮ್ಯಾಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಗೋಲಿಬಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ.
Chandappa is among the many farmers who participated in a protest against the NTPC power plant. He was later hospitalized and treated for his injuries. The protests since then have been peaceful and no other bloodshed has been seen. कितना एकड़ ले लिए वो लोग? 4,000 एकड़. अच्छा.
इसको मालूम नहीं इसको तो ये क्या भी नहीं ये बनाता वो बनाते कल को ले छोड़ा. बोलने का एक है बनाने का एक.
Problems for the NTPC began very early on when retired scientist Professor M.P. Patil filed a petition against the development of the plant early last year on the grounds that clearances were received from the Environmental Ministry on false grounds. The case is still in progress in the Green Tribunal. The KRRS then stepped into the fight, contending that the plant would cause widespread destruction of ecology and human health. It is this issue that the farmers are worried about.
ये हमें भी खेत का काम करता बौड़ी करता कल को पीछे ही गवर्नमेंट का पेज बेच छोड़े बेच को ये नहीं तुमको याद नहीं रहा करता नदी का पानी छोड़ता कर बोले नदी का पानी नहीं पीछे ही ये बम बूटा वास्ते लोग का कमाल में एकदम ये क्या भी नहीं जंगल में क्या भी बिकता नहीं वैसा बिकता नहीं कैसा बोल को छोटी सी जंगल खरीद कर छोड़ा.
The NTPC plant construction has not stopped since the day of the violence on July 5th, 2014. An independent study by Professor Sagar Dhara shows that India had 2.55 lakh megawatts of generating capacity at the end of 2014. 60% of this power was produced from coal. The Central Electric Authority also shows that at the end of 2014, 173 million tons of fly ash was generated. This fly ash is considered extremely harmful to human health as well as the environment.
Now, there are 5 basic sensitive receptors in most areas in India which are affected by the air pollution. Thermal power plants are largely air pollution causing plants. Now, the first sensitive receptor is human beings themselves. And human beings are highly susceptible to air pollution. And in areas that we've studied, we've looked at a lot of power plants in the country. Normally, the asthma rate jumps from baseline, particularly amongst under 10 children, to unacceptable levels like 25%, 30%, things of this sort. So there is a definite impact on human health.
The KRRS believe that the farmers have been taken advantage of and that they are open to damages because of the plant. In November last year, the KRRS held a rally where Professor Sagar Dhara and senior members of the KRRS spoke to the villagers about the dangers of the plant and the different ways in which they can come together to stop the development of the plant.
ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ನೀತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ತರಿಸಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ದುಡ್ಡಿಗೆ ಮಾರಿದ್ರು ಈ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ. ಆದರೆ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳೆದವರು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಸರ್ವನಾಶ ಬೀದಿ ಬಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಸರ್ವನಾಶ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಳೆದು.
Hundreds thronged to hear what the leaders had to say. There were other leaders who spoke further about the need for people to protest peacefully.
ಹೋರಾಟಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿವಿ, ರಸ್ತೆ ರೋಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಮುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅಹೋರಾತ್ರಿ ಧರಣಿ 48 ದಿವಸ ಅಹೋರಾತ್ರಿ ಧರಣಿ ನಡೆದಿವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಸೂಕ್ತ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಪಂದನೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಅಂಶ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ರೈಲು ತಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
The NTPC construction, however, went on unimpeded. Officials from the plant believe that the farmers are misled and have nothing to worry about.
देखिए, electrostatic precipitator we have got different fields. and the design of the electrostatic precipitator is with certain margins. Even if a field goes out or a two field goes out, it will not be affecting much. Whatever is permissible as per Pollution Control Board, central as well as state, our design is well below that permissible limit. Suppose they permit X amount, the amount of ash which we let through the chimney is much below than the X.
Most of the villagers in Kudgi have lost their lands. The average price given to them per acre was between rupees 7 lakh and rupees 9 lakh. The villagers say that this price is very less and they can get a better price if they sell their land elsewhere. Also, since most of the people are farmers, they now have no other means of income.
1985 में हमें खरीदी ले ली और वो खेत दिया साले का भाई उसका कुछ क्या नहीं और हरकत करे उसका।
अच्छा, और आपकी कितनी ज़मीन थी?
मेरी 3 एकड़ 20 गुंठे।
अच्छा, और कितने में एनटीपीसी लिया आपसे?
वो 9 लाख से लिया नीरावरी।
अच्छा, तो ये दाम सही था?
एकड़ को 9 लाख।
ये दाम सही था आपको लगता है?
नहीं सही नहीं है वो।
ये आपका नाम?
मोहम्मद इस्माइल।
अच्छा, कितनी ज़मीन थी आपकी?
हमारी 12 एकड़।
अच्छा, और
14 एकड़ थी, 2 एकड़ गरस करवल को छोड़ को क्या है 12 एकड़ का हिसाब लिया।
कितने में गई? कितना दिया आपको रिटर्न में?
हम 1/5 दिए, नीरावरी का है 7 दिए।
Although farmers have lost their lands, they are hopeful that the project will be discontinued so that their farms and villages are safe. The mood in the village continues to be hopeful and buoyant. As authorities continue to delve on the future of the plant and the importance it holds in power needs for Karnataka, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, villagers continue to fight for their health and their farmlands.